In this video, learn how to indent a paragraph inside Microsoft Word. Let's begin. The Tab key on your keyboard is the quickest method for indenting paragraphs. However, it is best used when indenting individual paragraphs in your Word document. Here's how to use it. Open Microsoft Word on your PC or Mac, and open the Word document that you want to make changes to. Now, place your cursor on the paragraph in the document you want to indent. Place your cursor at the start of the paragraph for the first line indent. While for standard indent, place your cursor at the start of any other line in the paragraph. Press the Tab key on your keyboard. For the first line indent, pressing the Tab key should leave a gap between the left page margin and the first line. For the standard indent, leave a gap between the left page margin and the entire paragraph. Moving on, you can also use the ruler to indent your paragraphs in Microsoft Word. Here's how to do so. With the document open on MS Word, place your cursor on the Word document. Press the Ctrl and A keyboard shortcut to select all text in the Word document. Click the View tab on the Word ribbon. Tick the box beside Ruler to ensure the ruler is visible on the Word canvas. Hover your cursor over the markers on the word ruler, and it should show the first line indent, left indent, and right indent. Finally, drag the markers to get the desired indent. That is it. For more tech tips and tricks like these, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos handpicked just for you.